Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, as you see, we have some tomato here that we're gonna be planting, and we also have some more baby cabbage. The baby cabbage I planted 2 days ago, I realized they're doing pretty well, so I decided to come out and plant the balance that I have. Guys, is one thing with plants, you want to make sure that you don't damage the roots. Be very delicate when command to plant the root of the plant. It's very important because without the roots, there's no plants. Okay? So be very delicate when command planting. I already separate them, and as you can see guys, I do not plant set seed in one container. I set them all together because, like I keep saying, I don't want to be setting, if I got to set in one seed in each container, I will have to have a lot of container because of the amount of food I try to plant. I will have to find myself with a whole heap of containers. So I plant them very thick, and I do my best not to damage the root system for the plant, because the root system is the life of the plant. So make sure while you're planting, be very careful. The plant is very delicate, so be mindful of that. Try not to break the root, because if you break the root, sometimes the plant will have to start all over, trying to regenerate new roots. And because your planting season might be so short, you don't want to go through that process where your plants got to start over to gather new roots. Alright? So make sure you be mindful of these things. I'm a very experienced gardener. I try lots of different ways of planting. So the way I plant right now, it works for me. So guess what? I'm gonna just continue doing it this way. But just like that guys, I have planted some cabbage. You could walk around with me, let me show you the results so far of what's going on. Here we have kale growing, we have cabbage growing over here. All this area here, all this is broccoli. Over here we have broccoli growing up here. This whole area up here is cabbage, and we have broccoli over there. As you can see over here, we have all this is garlic, different type of garlic. We have more tomato here to transplant. I'm gonna be doing a lot of transplanting today. So let's get to it right here and plant these tomato and pepper right in this area. Always remember guys, tomato love hot sun. That's something you need to remember. Pepper love hot sun. Don't forget these things. Very important. Okay, the weather is beautiful, and what I'm going to do, I have a lot of tomato to plant, so let me keep digging them on. This whole bed gonna be tomato. All right, so I'm not gonna dig everything. I'm just gonna show you how I plant small tomatoes. As you can see, this tomato is very small, but their root system is still attached. It haven't been disconnected, so that's a plus right there. This one as well. If you notice, everything is attached. That's what you want. You don't want to damage your plants at all. The root system is important. So always be mindful in gardening. The root system is where the plant feed. You see, these are very small seedlings, you know. A lot of people is not gonna run the risk at this time to be planting their seedlings this young. And I ain't give them wrong. Why I ain't give them wrong? Because seedlings takes a lot of care, and they will require more care. The younger you plant them, the more care they require. So I ain't give them wrong. But I just enjoy sowing seed and planting them from a young stage. I just enjoy that. So just like that, guys, we have planted some tomatoes. Different type of tomatoes. And we're getting prepared. We're preparing ourselves for the spring. This era is a pretty decent era to plant tomatoes and pepper. It's very sunny, and that's what they love. So always remember to scope out your area and see where the sun shines the most. And that's where you want to plant your tomato, your peppers, and your okra. Alright guys, so simple as this. We already plant some cabbage, we also plant some tomatoes. I'm not going to take the video too long, but I just want to show you guys what I have going on so far. What is growing so far? This is onion growing up here. All over here, we have cabbage growing over here. We have kale. We have broccoli. All right. And this is our beautiful peach tree. It's already have growing peach at this time. Lots of peach going on. All right. Okay. We have a lot of things growing, but right now they're not open like that, so we're gonna hold on. All right, this is our banana plant coming back, which is awesome. You guys know what we do with these already. This is our beautiful compost. All here is garlic, that's onion going over here. Let's look at our fruit tree. This is one of our grape trees. This is 3 different grapes in this little area right here. 3 different grapes, and as you see, they're already coming back. This is the banana coming back as well. And this is the apple tree. As you can see, the apple tree already pushing flowers. We have more garlic growing up right here. This is another apple tree that we have growing right at this moment. And over here, this is my plum tree. This plum tree have on a lot of plum right at this moment. If you notice, you're gonna see this limb loaded with plum. Even this limb loaded with plum. All of these limb loaded with plum. This is a plum tree I had cut down because it was growing so tall. Okay. So right here, this is our blueberry. And as you see, this blueberry is full with blossom. But this year, I believe I will have to get a net to cover it because the birds eat a lot of these berries and I hardly could get in. So yes guys, this is what's going on in my garden today. Today is a beautiful planting day and I'm putting in the work, I'm putting the food in the ground. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace, love and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.